PT Wahana Lentera Raya, established since 2002, in Raya Lagundi Gresik with work area of 11 hectares. PT Wahana Lentera Raya is a pioneer company with a strong vision and mission, that focusing on manufacturing furniture in Indonesia, who are ready to provide the best service and products, in the domestic and international markets. Nowadays, furniture has become the basic need and lifestyles for everyone. We are looking furniture in multiple ways, not just functional necessities, but also style, design, cost and its eco-sensibilities. PT Wahana Lentera Raya, built with a strong vision and mission, is a pioneer of furniture manufacturing companies in Indonesia, whose philosophy and approach is deeply focused on the functional and emotional values of the furniture with their user. Equipped with technology machines from Germany such as CNC cutting, wrapping, laminating, edging, drilling, and membranes. PT Wahana Lentera Raya is able to produce furniture on a very large scale capacity with high working speed, and still maintaining the stability of the product's quality. The maintenance team always carries out regular daily, weekly and monthly checks on the production machine to ensure its performance remains safe and works perfectly. Equipped with a work ethic that emphasizes the value of improving life, PT Wahana Lentera Raya can reach a production capacity of more than 150 cubic meters per day, and has expanded the company market to the international export market, in order to objectify a higher corporate mission and vision. PT Wahana Lentera Raya has obtained several competency national certifications in the furniture industry, one of which is SEDEX Members Ethical Trade Audit, SMETA. In line with company vision improving life, which has been held since the founding of the company, made PT Wahana Lentera Raya understands the true meaning that furniture is all about the people and their connection with their way of quality living. Therefore, PT Wahana Lentera Raya is always making quality furniture products with innovative and futuristic concepts. Good quality products started from good material handling. One of the Wahana Lentera Raya's strength in maintaining the quality of their products is by only selecting high-quality raw material vendors, with stringent T criteria, and Wahana Lentera Raya discipline work order and rotating the entry and exit of raw material used. By applying the first in first out method and closely monitored by experienced experts, ensuring that the raw materials used for production are always in perfect quality condition. Good design means high precise manufactured products, with stable quality, and efficient manufacturing. Wahana Lentera Raya able to produce furniture on a very large scale capacity, with high working speed and still maintaining the stability of the product's quality. The maintenance team always carries out regular daily, weekly and monthly checks on the production machine, to ensure its performance remains safe and works perfectly. Today ideas are tomorrow products. Our research and development teams always making endless innovative design products, with fresh ideas through constant research, and provide problem solution products that fulfill our customer expectation. We understand the evolving value of the furniture and embrace it into a fresh idea with the modern ways we live now. Attention to details are the key of Wahana Lentera Raya commitment to quality. Supported by our highly dedicated quality control team, which always checks rigorously for raw materials and finished goods, ensuring the delivered products that will be delivered remain safe and secure until they reach to the customers. In line with the company vision, Wahana Lentera Raya always thrive to improve their quality standard policy by providing supporting safety facilities for their staff, such as vacuum wood powder, which ensuring the wood dust does not get inhaled and disturb the health of the company employees. Vacuum wood powder, which ensuring the wood dust does not get inhaled and disturb the health of the company employees. Routine safety training, which carried out as a reflection of the value of improving life that is more real. With the availability of our large logistic fleet, enables Wahana Lentera Raya to deliver a large scale amounts of furniture, without constraints to the entire national market, making the company foundation to expand its market towards the international market, while ensuring the quality standard of their products. Wahana Lentera Raya believes that design transcends style. Well-designed furniture deliver efficiency, satisfaction and joy to the people who use them. Our vision is carried forward today by our most talented designer, workers, researcher, and marketing teams to bring order and beauty to life and work for the national and international markets. Wahana Lentera Raya. Improving life.